What's the meaning of commonplace? Commonplace. Commonplace.
Commonplace. Commonplace. The word commonplace refers to something that is ordinary, unremarkable, or unexceptional. It is a term used to describe things that are not unique, special, or extraordinary in any way. This could include ideas, objects, or events that are easily found or experienced and lack the ability to stand out from the crowd. Commonplace items are often easy to overlook or ignore because they lack any significant or distinguishing features. Essentially, a commonplace thing is something that is neither particularly good nor particularly bad, but just average.